In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online using a new strategy which will make making money a whole lot easier, if not one of the easiest ways to do so. Everything is done online, so you can do it from anywhere in the world and from any device. You don't even need any previous skill set, and it's completely free to do so. You will, however, need to set up 3 things to achieve the results, and make sure you follow this video step by step till the end, so once you finish the video, you are set for success. But before we get started, guys, I'd appreciate it if you could give this video a thumbs up if you love making money online, and subscribe and hit the notification button so that you don't miss out on any of the valuable videos I'll be posting in the near future. Now sit back and relax and watch this tutorial till the end to begin your new easy money making strategy. Step 1. Come over to the website Pixabay.com. This is a copyright-free library of different videos and images of a variety of categories and niches. All of the images and videos come with a Creative Commons license, which allows you to use them on different websites for free and without having to attribute the creator. So now we look for business-related videos or pics that are related to making money online or at home. So we'll go over to the search bar and put in our keywords such as business finance, working from home, or making money online, and see if we can find something good. Even a short video, as they are all about 10 to 15 seconds long. So check through them and let's see we pick this one. And we click the free download button right here. And now that's downloaded onto your computer or device. As I mentioned before, it comes with a Creative Commons license, and as you can see, it's free for commercial use and no attribution is required. So step number 1 is to find a suitable short video or a picture related to making money online or from home. Really easy, and it will take you less than 30 seconds to find something, as there's so much available. Step 2, you'll need to sign up with this website, volutic.com, which is where you'll be earning money online or from home. But it's not the final tool to combine all and set up everything properly and work on autopilot so that you can make money without having to work hard yourself. So keep watching to see what the final platform is to complete all 3 steps. Volutic is a place where you can earn easy cash by reading emails and makes for a great side hustle. But it's not going to make you a great deal of money. But I'm going to show you how you can make a lot of money using this website and passively without reading the emails. But you can still read them to get some extra money on top if you want, as it can be done from your smartphone or laptop or any other device. The great thing about this platform is that 20% is the minimum payout, so you will be paid quite quickly into whatever payments option you choose. It's a pretty new website, so right now is the perfect time to jump on the bandwagon and take full advantage of it, as many people all over the world are getting paid instantly, as it is a place where you can make money quickly and from anywhere. Now you need to sign up to the website. I'm going to leave you the link down below so you can easily sign up. Click the registration button right here, create a new account, fill in all the required boxes, and make sure to agree to their terms and conditions and privacy policy by clicking these boxes. You can also subscribe to their list if you want, but if not, leave it blank. Now click register, and there you have it. You made your account. This is what the dashboard looks like. Here you're able to track your earnings. Of course, it's going to show 0 as it's a brand new account, but follow my steps and that will change quickly. Before you know it, you'll start raking in that cash. The amazing thing about Volutic is that they have a great referral program that pays you $1 for every referral. What's even better is when the person you manage to refer makes $1, which is easily made on this website, you also get $1. So imagine if you refer 100 people, that's $100 made passively by you, and so on. Now is the real deal, the real money maker. The last step that I'm going to show you is how you can reach millions of people with one single platform. So go to your dashboard on Volutic and you can see your personal referral link. Copy that so you can share it with people and begin making some passive income. Step 3. Now we need a platform which will give us the traffic to our referral link and find people who would be interested in joining volutic.com. My chosen traffic source for this case is imgur.com, as the traffic to that website is huge. It's visited regularly by over 250 million people worldwide every month, and advertising there is completely free. imgur.com is a website where you can share different images, GIFs or videos which are then seen by millions. So it's a great place to advertise, and and I will show you how, guys. Firstly, create your Imgur account by clicking here, and now fill out the information and click sign up. Or you could just sign in using your Facebook, Twitter, Google, Yahoo or Apple accounts. Once you're logged in, you can then see all the different images and GIFs other people have shared. Now we are going to combine all 3 steps. Now listen carefully, guys, and watch till the end so that you can reap those rewards, eh? We're now going to use the image/video from our first step that we downloaded from Pixabay.com, and over here on Imgur.com we're going to click here on new post, and we are going to upload the image/video that is related to making money online. Then we're going to post a title, something along the lines of make money easily from home or online for free and get paid to read emails or to open emails, something like that. And make sure you use the word free because people are attracted to the word free naturally. You'd be surprised, but there's a lot of cheapskates out there. But really, because they know they don't have to invest anything to begin with. In the description, put your referral link, but don't forget to say sign up here for free to begin making money or something along these lines. To be seen by the group of people you want, use hashtags which will attract people who wish to make money online or easily or from home. Click on the tag button here and type in make money online or work from home, make money online free, something like that. Anything that is related to finance, business or working from home really works well. The more relevant tags you add, the more you reach those people who are searching for what you have to offer. Make sure you have the post visible to the community so that everyone is capable of seeing it. Then post it and open those floodgates of money. So use these 3 steps and wait for those commissions to come in on the Volutic website. An easy and free way to make money from anywhere passively without really doing much. I hope you've learned a new way of making money online, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and please do subscribe because it does help out the channel. Turn those notifications on so that you guys can get the videos as soon as I upload them. And thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.